Here are the 5 things that I started to do to get rid of my knee pain almost completely. So if you don't know me, I'm Karin from Karinyogalife. I'm a certified yoga teacher and wellness coach. I'm 59 years old and I've suffered from knee pain for a long time. And I know there are many people out there suffering with knee pain, so I thought I would share what I did to make my knee pain go away. I have to also add that everybody is different. This won't work for everybody, but it really did work for me. So I thought I would share it to see if it would help you too. So the first thing I did was I stopped ignoring it. I stopped thinking that there was nothing I could do and I would just have to live with my knee pain forever. So that's not true. There are lots of things that you can do, especially if your knee pain is from arthritis, osteoarthritis. There are things that you can do to make your knee pain get better. The second thing I did was I really focused on movement. I tried to walk every single day, even if it's only for 10 minutes. I tried to add in more movement into my day. Walking is one of the best things that you can do for your knees. It strengthens the legs, it lubricates the joints, it nourishes them, and it keeps them from feeling so stiff and achy. So that's the first thing I would really recommend that you do, is to really maybe increase or add a little bit of movement to your day. Maybe more walking or some kind of gentle movement. It could also be swimming, it could be yoga, it could be any kind of gentle movement that is low impact and does not exacerbate your knee pain. So that's the first thing. The second thing I did, I kind of mentioned it already, I focused on strengthening my legs. So I strengthened all these muscles supporting my knees, my thighs, my quads, my hamstrings. The inner and outer thighs are also really important. Your calves, your feet, even your core muscles. The stronger your muscles are, the more you're going to be supporting your knee joints, but especially the legs, the quads, the hamstrings, the inner and outer thighs. Really important. So that will help to stabilize the knee joint, help to take pressure off the knees, and that will really help to make you feel better. So the third thing I did, I also focused on gently stretching my legs. So I tend to have very muscular, tight muscles, and sometimes what can happen is the muscles get tight, they pull on the joints, they come out of alignment. And so gently stretching the muscles that support your knees will also help to keep them mobile, flexible, less stiff and achy. So definitely focus on gently stretching. Again, it could be yoga, but it could simply be a gentle stretching routine for a couple of minutes every day, or as many days as you can manage to help your knees feel better. The fourth thing that I did is I looked at what I was eating. Yes, did you know that what you eat can make a huge difference to how you feel, to your knee pain, joint pain in general? So my anti-inflammatory diet really helped. And I'm going to talk a lot more about this in another video. But I identified the foods that really made my knee pain worse. And it really made a huge difference when I cut out these foods that were inflammatory for me. And then the fifth thing is I really tried to maintain my weight. I was 20 pounds heavier quite a few years ago. I went on a fairly, I would say, manageable meal plan to reduce my weight, because for every extra pound of weight that you have on your body, it adds 4 pounds of pressure onto your knees. So that's really important, to manage your weight as best you can. I know it's a struggle, but there are ways that you can do this also. So those are the 5 things that I did, and it has made a huge difference in my knee pain. I'm not going to say it's gone away 100%, but it has improved a lot. I almost have no knee pain anymore, and I went through periods where I was waking up every single morning with knee pain. So just to recap, the 5 things are: number 1, I stopped ignoring it. You don't have to live in pain. Number 2, I added more movement into my day, walking, yoga, any kind of gentle movement. Number 3, strengthening, really important to strengthen these muscles around your knees. Number 4, gentle stretching. Number 5, food, looking at what you eat. And actually, I guess number 6 would be managing your weight. So those are the things that I did to manage my knee pain. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to answer them, to share with you what I did. So I hope this helped. And if you found this video useful, please remember to subscribe. I really appreciate your support. Thanks a lot and see you again soon.